Hi SPV gardeners! Today we're going to start working on preparing our vegetable beds to put our seedlings in. Here in the vegetable beds, this is how they've been all winter long, and they've been growing a couple of different things. One thing we've been growing are leeks. These are leeks, the kinds that you would use in soup, and these leeks have been here almost a whole year since last spring. Today, we're gonna take them out. This beautiful green grass is ryegrass, and we have had it growing in our vegetable beds to provide nutrition for the soil, so that when we're ready to plant in the spring, the soil will have some yummy things for our seedlings to grow on. Look at these! Does anybody recognize them? These are the romaine lettuce. This was one of our best crops last year. I'm going to try and do this so that we can save these little romaine lettuces that grew from the seeds that had fallen down after we harvested last year.